Welcome to another edition of X Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Frenchie Company's Speed Wallet. This is the Speed Wallet Mini. They have a standard and a mini version, and I have been using a Frenchie Speed Wallet Mini for like the last 3 years, but this is a new one that I just got, and I thought I would do an unboxing for you guys so that you can see just even the way these things are packaged. You know right away these are premium wallets and absolutely the best wallet out there. You can see this is their little saying: we challenge the norm and reject mediocrity. We create accessories and fashion items that embody superior craftsmanship, functionality, and materials. We don't just make products, we set new standards, we raise the bar. And that is true. That is really true. And you're going to see when I open this up. Now that's a magnet in there, the way that this opens up. And then this opens up. You can tell just from the get-go, this is premium quality stuff just in the way that it opens up. And you can see you've got your Frenchie. This looks like it's like the outline of a Frenchie, and this is a Speed Wallet. And then they do tell you right here, this Speed Wallet took 2 years of testing and over 100 prototypes pushed to the limit. We refused to launch until every detail was flawless, until speed, function, and premium craftsmanship fused into a product that redefines efficiency. We reinvented the wallet, we raised the bar. And that's not just blowing smoke. I believe all of that is true because, again, I've been using this wallet for the last 3 years, and I got another one because I love it so much. And here we go. This is the Speed Wallet Mini. Now this is specifically the Speed Wallet Mini. What's it called? AirTag version, and you see it has a little pocket there that you can put an AirTag in so that you could find your wallet if you lost it. Now they have this wallet without an AirTag. They also have versions of this wallet that on the back side here you could have like a little pocket to put like change and stuff. The one I had before is like that. It has a little pocket. And again, this is the Mini, and then they have the standard. The difference is just the height. The Mini is exactly the same size as the standard credit card. That's what I prefer because I like minimalist when it comes to my wallet. The standard is just a little bit taller. I personally think the Mini is the best. And here's how these work. You can see this is where your bills go. It's like has this flap back here, so the edge of your bills sit in there, and they fold out here, and then you just fold this over, and that's, again, this is a magnet, so it just magnets on there, and the bills stay in there. And I love it because it holds a lot of bills. It holds them well. They're easy to go in and out. I've used it, I live in the US, so I obviously used it with dollar bills, but when I was traveling and using foreign currency, that fits in there. Everything fits in there perfectly, and that is really cool. Then you have these 2 pockets for cards, and you have these little tabs. You just lift it up. There you go. This pocket holds 6 cards. And then you have this tab. Lift that up. This pocket holds 6 cards. So you can put approximately 6 cards in each of these, just depending on how thick those cards are. But it's so easy. You just lift up, and then you pull out the card you need, push the rest back down. When you're done, pull it up, put your card in there, push it down. It's very convenient, very simple, very great craftsmanship, looks great, works great. It's just, I'm telling you, it is absolutely the best wallet. You can see they have the little Frenchie logo is on each wallet. This is genuine leather. So really top-notch quality product that they make. The one I've had for 3 years, still working great, but I decided I wanted to get a couple more different colors, and that's why I got this one and the black on the outside with the nice red on the inside. They have a lot of different colors, and occasionally they'll have special editions and patterns. And like I said, they have you can get some with the AirTag pocket. You can get them without the AirTag pocket. They have others that will have you can get a little pocket on the outside here. Certain editions have that option. So lots of great stuff. Anyway, definitely to me the best wallet on the market, and that's going to be it for the unboxing. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you have any questions, post them down below. I'm also going to be doing a full demo review video of the Frenchie wallet, showing some of the other wallets that I have, so you can kind of see how those work as well and see them in action with actual dollar bills and stuff, and doing a full review. So subscribe to my channel for those playlists so you can keep up with that as well as other future product reviews. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.